Hi everyone, I'm Anthony Burns and this is the Digital Photography course, the Enthusiast tutorial. So, who is an enthusiast? An enthusiast is someone who's enthusiastic about photography. They've finished their beginner stage where now they're proficient in understanding what the camera can do, and then this journey of actually taking the photos will last a lifetime. What's the difference between an enthusiast and a professional photographer? Well, a professional photographer is someone who's decided to make money from their photography anywhere on this journey. That's up to you if you decide at all to go down that route to make it your living. Most enthusiast photographers, though, they already have a trade or a profession or a job, and they don't want to make money from their photography. But that doesn't diminish in any way, shape or form their love of photography and their expert knowledge in the subject. They've spent a lifetime reading everything that they can get their hands on to learn about their favourite topic. So that's an enthusiast. Is it detrimental to call them one? Definitely not. Is it fair to call them an intermediate? No, it isn't, because some of the enthusiasts that I've met have more knowledge than many of the professionals that I've met because of their love and desire to accumulate this knowledge. Enjoy the journey. So what are we going to learn? First off, we're going to learn what equipment to get. So you've left the beginner stage, and then to start the enthusiast journey, more than likely you'll go down the landscape photography route. So we'll have a look at what's the most appropriate equipment to start off with. And over the decades, you'll end up with a cupboard full of equipment. After that, we're going to learn housekeeping. Now, this is actually really important, and you need to tackle this right from the beginning because you need to dump all of your bad images. The images that don't count, get rid of them. I'll show you how to file your images, all the good images properly, and some of the preliminary ones as well are important to save. So what do you keep, what do you throw out, and how do you access them easily? The next is the meat of the subject. It's, okay, let's start taking photos. So it's landscape photography. And I know this is the number one subject. It's the favourite of enthusiasts. They love landscape photography and nature photography, and rightly so. When you look at some of the beautiful scenery that there is to take photos of, why wouldn't you love this as a subject? And it's something that you'll take for your entire journey. So we'll unbox that and we'll have a look. The next subject is something that I know is actually quite difficult for enthusiasts to do, and a lot of them don't want to do this at all, and that is taking portraits and family photography. And the reason why it's difficult, in a lot of reasons, is because it's fear of the unknown. You don't know how humans are going to react, especially your relatives. But please, look on the bright side. I'll show you some tricks and tips on how to take beautiful photos. And then over the years, you will go to weddings, you will go to anniversaries, and there even may be a professional photographer there. But many a time, I've seen the best photos of the day come from an enthusiast, not the professional, because people can relax around them because they know them. And the photos that are in their home, they're yours. And that's a really good thing. So then we'll have a wrap. We'll talk about street photography and a few other things. And then please subscribe, like, and press the bell. And now let's start.